Hi everyone, my name is Akilanto. This video is to teach one assignment in HAP 823 taught by Professor Farooq Alami at George Mason University. The assignment comes under Bayesian Networks. The assignment is to calculate the probability of negative outcome with two conditions where patients are severely ill and has not signed a DNR. The figure explains the data. As we can see, the diagram gives the probability of severity, DNR, treatment, and the outcome table. As mentioned in the question, the first step is to eliminate the cases which are not severe from all the tables. Then we have to join the probability of severity table and probability of DNR. By that, we are getting all our variables of interest within one table. So we have severity, DNR, and the probability. So in the next step, we are combining the resultant table which we got with the treatment table given DNR and severity. For that, we are using an inner join in SQL. So now we have all the records of DNR, and now we are creating a new table with treatment, severity, and sum of probabilities. So here the sum of probability is calculated by comparing each no and S cases for treatment across different values of DNR. So now that table is joined with the outcome table in which we are multiplying the sum of probability with the outcome probability based on the treatment. So to get the final probability, we are summing up the probabilities based on negative and positive outcome. And finally, we need to normalize the probabilities so they sum up to 1. So after that, we can conclude that we have 47.65% of our severe patients have adverse outcomes or negative outcomes. So now let's do the same in SQL. So first of all, I created a database called Bayesian, to which I imported the data, that is the tables like probability of DNR, outcome, severity, and the probability of treatment. So as mentioned, the first step is to remove all the cases which are not severe. So we use the command where severity is not like severe to remove all the cases which are not severe. So we remove that from 3 tables: severity, outcome, and the treatment. So here we are combining the tables, that is probability of severity table and the probability of DNR table. So let's run this. So this is the resultant table. So by doing an inner join, we are getting the variables of interest in one table. So it's the table which we required for the next step. Then we are summing up the probabilities using the sum function. So we got the sum probability. So to get the probability, we are now joining it to the outcome table using an inner join. So to calculate the final probability, we are summing up the individual probabilities based on the outcome variable. Sorry, the table name already exists, so I'm just dropping the table. outcome. So table is stopped. So again I'm running. So we got the probabilities here. So to normalize the probability, we have to divide the total sum of probability by individual outcome probabilities. So first I declared a variable called total, then I added the sum into the total. So then dividing the outcome probability by the total. So finally we got the normalized value. So we can see that 47.65% of our severe patients which has negative outcome or adverse outcomes. Thank you so much.